Today, we are extremely proud that Holcim has entered as a shareholder into COBOD. We have known Holcim for 3 years during our cooperation with GE about 3D printing of windmill towers. We are extremely happy that this partnership is now being cemented even further through the ownership of shares in COBOD.
Holcim has decided to invest in COBOD because we strongly believe that 3D concrete printing is the future. That will be a way to increase productivity in construction. That will be a way to optimize everything in the value chain.
As Holcim, we believe in industrial construction, in digitized construction, and we have seen with COBOD a partner which has a diverse culture, which has high performance culture, which we believe in, which is decisive in order to disrupt the construction industry in the future.